Hey guys, I'm Yene. Today I want to show you how I color in Procreate without touching my initial drawing. I watched a bunch of videos like you guys to know how to draw in Procreate, and I hope you will like, comment and share my video. I really appreciate it. Thank you. The first step is to click on the layer of your drawing. Click right and click on reference. So now I click on the layer 2 and that's it. I want to show you when I don't click on reference and I go on another layer and I try to color, it will color the background because there is no shape here. So this step is really important, guys. You have to click on the layer of your drawing and click on reference before to start coloring it. That's pretty easy, right? Reference is my favorite tool because when I use it, I can color as I want without touching the initial drawing. So I can color with my fingers, I can color with my pen or just drag the color. So how cool is that, guys? Another essential thing you need to know is that your initial drawing has to be close. What I mean by that, when you draw the hair, be sure to close the lines. When you draw the eyes, same thing. Because if your shapes are not close, even with a reference, the color will go on the background. So be careful, guys. Here I'm going to change the brush from inking to airbrushing, soft airbrush. Look on your left, I'm going to resize the brush. It's really small, so I'm going to unlock the initial drawing and add the color on top of it. You don't have to do it, it's optional. I hope you will like this video. Comment, share and subscribe. Please support me. I really appreciate it. Thank you. You love this drawing? You can have it in a bundle on my Etsy shop. Check the description below. I click on the plus to open a new layer. I'm going back to the airbrush. I usually take first the color of the skin I chose, and then in the color box I decide to go lighter or darker to do the lights. It depends of which area I am. You're going to see what I'm talking about. This is how the layers comes in handy because I can erase this without touching any color of the mask or the skin. That's why, guys, it's really cool to work with different layers. That's it, guys. Don't go yet. I'm going to show you how to add a background color and how to save your drawing. Click on the background color. You check it, you will see the color box. You can choose any color you want. It's really easy to add a color to the background. Don't forget to uncheck it when you want to save your drawing. I always save as a PNG. Click on the setting tool icon, click share and PNG. Then click on save to files. You can save it on your iPad or in the cloud. And finally click on save on the top. Thanks for watching me, guys. Please excuse my mistakes along the way. I did my best. English is not my first language. Bye bye.